Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com for August 3rd, 2025. Going over some of our momentum stocks that we have a scan on, and we give some buys and sells inside the Pro Traders Discord. Let's go first. A few of these recent ones. You can see some of these have been performing very well, but these are late buys. So here's Carvana. Just had a buy Friday at the close. We'll be watching this one. FTAI, again, a recent buy Friday. You can see pretty big volatility here, but momentum looks like it's turning higher. Roblox, same type of thing. I gave a buy Friday at the opening. Obviously, stocks got hammered Friday. Some of these momentum names definitely have given it up, but probably going to be giving some opportunity here in the coming days of this week. WDC, Western Digital, also looks pretty strong here. Light, same type of thing. Nice little comeback Friday, holding pretty well. And then some of these you can see I got highlighted in blue. MOD, that's one that has done very well since the second buy and held the gains Friday. That one looks still a lot higher. NRG holding well here sideways. To me, in Friday's action, extremely good. A new high for the move at Friday, with considering all the weakness. I think NRG is going to continue higher. HIMS has earnings Monday. Friday did come off the highs, but that's after upthrusting these highs. But this one I'm going to be watching Monday after earnings. Probably want to be long in there. DEC is one that jumped up after earnings for maybe a sign of strength. Having a lower volume pullback here for a last point of support. Really needs to hold around these levels, so we'll see if that can happen early in the week. Tesla gave a buy up there at 330. We're setting at 302. Definitely came under pressure the last 4 days, but this one I think still can try to hold in here and work higher. App11, also same type of thing, holding in here sideways. I think that one could be preparing to break out the upside. MP, Materials Corp, very good action there, holding recent gains. Closed well on Friday's weakness. Boot I talked about, I think still pretty good long-term hold. That one had some volatility there Friday on earnings, but ultimately still holding gains. TTD is one that we've talked about. We're long here just a hair higher. Friday recovered some pretty good losses. I like the setup here with the new low in volume, as you can see here. Let's make that look a little bit cleaner. New low in the volume, why price is holding much higher. Looks like a lot of buy pressure up there in 279 or so. So again, I like TTD setup. UAL, nice little ABC pullback after the highs. This one I would want to hold here and work higher there at the moving average. So we'll watch that. That's a 50-day. CAVA also is one that we're long with small losses. Friday did come under pressure. I do like the setup here, though, as well, with the volume and price. So we'll be watching that one for a turnaround. Urban Outfitters holding well here. Recovered Friday's losses and closed higher. I like the chart there. PSTG is one that, again, I like the setup. Looked like a lot of buying coming in up here to that 53, 54 level. And we're setting here 54, 51. That's when I'll be watching to see if it can hold in. We do not have a general buy signal here. Normally with Wyckoff, we want to see the general market giving us a good setup. And then we want to chase these strong stocks, the ones that look like they're ready to break out or continue higher. FOUR, shift for payments. Same type of thing, recovered Friday's losses. We got earnings coming up here, on Tuesday. So watch for that one. ANET, nice rally after the scan gave a buy signal back there at 96. Under pressure Friday, but that one looks like it'll probably recover and turn higher again. Rocket Labs, same type of thing. Nice little flag here. And Friday's action, not too bad. Earnings coming up, though, in about a week. Be careful there. ASTS, same type of thing. We had the Wyckoff accumulation that we showed. That set up nicely. We got the divergence here with new low in the OP. Price holding higher. That gave us a lift off. We had the jump in the backup. So again, that one looks like it could still go higher. Al, we are along. Some weakness Thursday and Friday, back to just small losses for our long position. Again, I like the setup. New lows in volume, price hitting higher lows. So we're going to stay along that. And that's really all I got. So again, you can join the stock Discord for free to get some of these discussions. If you want the real trades, you got to join the pro traders for stocks. Have a great week trading.